guys, Roden Kids, and we are opening another pack a day Generations booster pack.
Booster pack?
Booster pack.
That's redundant.
Go on me X.
Shoulder dance.
Shoulder dance? Like,
You
it's like belly dancing?
What?
I can't.
You're really good
I'm
at
too
belly
skinny.
dance.
I can't do it. Okay.
Like this?
Alright. Straight on. Let's do this.
Is that Rhyhorn?
Rhyhorn.
Can't you read
Ponyta. I'll take this Magikarp, thank
3
you.
candies.
Grass energy.
Raichu.
That one's good. The circle
reverse
circuit.
hollow.
Diancie. Snorlax.
Smooth him up a little
I
bit.
love Snorlax. This guy is so
Pokeball.
amazing.
And Crushing Hammer.
That's a pretty good pack. I'm not gonna
Look
lie.
at this guy. He looks
Reverse-
like a baby Snorlax. Or looks like a 5-year-old Snorlax.
Reverse Raichu. This guy's a beast. Can do 100 damage for a DCE.
Great.
And it's a Raichu.
Raichu.
It's like in that episode of Pokemon where Raichu absolutely
In
destroys
Pokemon-
Ash's Pikachu.
In Pokemon Go, I can like destroy anything with my Raichu. It just slaps him with his tail. It's like
Yes,
slap,
and
slap, slap,
he's
slap,
cool.
slap.
So I'm gonna give that a 7. What
I'll
about you
give it a
guys?
7.
I'll give it a 7.
Alright, online pack, here we go.
Okay,
Here
online
we
pack,
come.
here we go.
Let's go.
That was awesome.
That
That's
totally
your
did
candy
not
for mine
happen.
now.
Nova, you just tell me where
Dude, stop.
Stop.
You're gonna mess something up.
You messed it
Too
up.
late. Oh my gosh.
Stop that.
What did I do?
You messed everything up. Just like
Mess
you
her
were.
upper.
What
Totally
did I
thing.
do?
I'm making a new.
Wait.
No, stop it.
Stop.
Okay.
Mess her upper.
I'll restrain him.
Okay, got
Restrain
it.
yourself.
I need
I'll
Did we
do
get
this
it? Did we
one.
get it?
Yeah, we got
Alright. Okay. Come on.
Just a stinking
The
pack.
X's.
it. No,
Oh my
don't.
gosh.
Oh, I got a Tauros. Wait, is that not good?
Magmar and
I
Musa
got a
Magikarp.
Tauros.
Pikachu.
Is that not good?
Fairy Energy.
Fairy Energy.
Swablu.
Swablu.
Mr. Mime.
Mr. Mime.
Haunter. I've got one of
Haunter.
those.
I got one of those.
Dancy.
Sorry.
Paris. And Tauros. So, for this Magmar, I almost called it Magikarp. Tell me, does this look like Magikarp to you? Yes,
Where
yes
is
it does.
I have a trivia question. Where is the Eiffel Tower located?
Your face.
No,
City.
here.
Paris. Ha ha ha.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Is it?
London.
I thought it was.
London.
That guy's
It's not in London, are you? Oh my
I don't know.
I think it's in Paris. I'm not good at geography.
I'm
but
pretty
I
sure
think,
it's
I
in
think
London.
it is.
I think it's in California.
I'm pretty
Yes,
sure it's in
obviously.
London.
All right.
Guys, thanks for watching.
It's like I actually have a kid in my
Thank you
class
for
named
watching this
London.
Pack-A-Day video.
I think
Like,
she was born
comment,
in
and
London,
subscribe.
so her name's
Yes.
London.
And you will see us. In the
Me
next
and
Not
video.
him. Bye.
In London, yes.
In London.
In London. On our tour.
Bye.
Bye.
On our tour
tour
in
that we're
Empire
celebrating.
State.
It's not in... Bye.